Sabi niya? Grabe siguro yung foundation niya, no? Laki ng bahay niya, oh. Malaki nga yung bahay niya, eh, no? Nagando ka ba sa Thailand? Ay, floating, may ano sila, eh. Oo nga pala.
Washing fish. Fish.
Oh, fish! So many! Look at that! What is he doing? He's washing the fish.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a roundabout.
So it's really a lake. Oh, nasa siya na crocodile. Wala naman awi.
I don't know.
Lalabas. Wala.
Eh. So yan ang yung water niya.
From the rain.
Ay! Eh, bakit siya umaakyat?
When it's raining. Oh, yeah, the pigs. I see the pigs. The pigs. Are they growing into it once it gets older? It's bigger?
Hindi, di ba nandun sa documentary sa ano?
Ano, what?
The kids is very smart. The kids.
The kids,
Yeah,
very
only 2 years
smart.
they can swim.
Oh.
There's a morning glory. The plant morning glory.